up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. It's like 7 o'clock. I'm going to start this vlog. Happy Juneathon, guys. It's Juneathon day 10. Let's talk about it. We made it to 10 days. How crazy is that? I've actually posted on YouTube for 10 consecutive days. And the craziest part about it is I've been like vlogging on the day of. So like, I probably don't get done editing until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. But it's okay because it's Juneathon. And I gotta post a video every day. So we're starting. What am I doing today? Let me go back. I've been up all night. There's that. I am going to deep clean today. And then I'm going to go to sleep. So you guys can clean with me. Starters, we're gonna find something to watch. I like watching feel-good movies. All right, y'all. We gotta fold some clothes. Well, y'all, I'm almost finished folding Mina clothes. I'm about to take Aiden to training, and it's a beautiful day.
Your call has been forwarded.
So there's that. There's Aiden. He got his hair done yesterday. Cute, right? See it? Yeah, she did good.
Yo, nigga, I'm outside.
She took 20 minutes to record the video, but she did good.
I'm outside.
Wait.
Alright.
But yeah, you in the mall? It's a basketball? Is he in school? He go to practice with you? The bathroom is now clean, tidy. We gotta put the stuff back. How y'all doing? What are y'all doing right now?
Here's something for Michael. Both is from NAACP. Afro Glow Face Cream for the look of beauty. I didn't know they could borrow miracles.
Look who's talking. If you were born in Detroit, you'd have been recalled for being dangerously ugly.
Not till she shuts her mouth, because if her BB brain falls out, we ain't never gonna be able to find it. Well, she called me up with this thing.
I literally have to come and end this vlog because I can't leave you guys hanging like this. So, okay, let me tell you what happened. I stayed up all night yesterday, and then I woke up. I went to sleep at like 11, but I had to get back up at 12. So then when I came back home, it had to be like 2. I had to be close to 2, and then I got woken up again at 5 to go to Sam's. So I was really sleepy, and I didn't really vlog. But overall today, I just went to Sam's to pick up some tissue and paper towels. And then I also went to Bombshells, and I filled out an application at Bombshells. If you guys don't know, Bombshells is a sports bar. I worked there once when I was 16 for like 4 days. So we're going to try this again. And hopefully I get the job, because I really do want to work there, actually, maybe. Because I just walked in, I'm like, so we're going to see. So yeah, I went up there, and then came back home, chilled with my cousins and my sister. And then I cleaned the bathroom, which is what you guys saw. And we just sat around, we watched Straw. And I've been editing this vlog. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm very sleepy. I'm actually very sleepy. Like, I'm so sleepy. Are you guys enjoying Juneathon? Guys, I hope Juneathon goes somewhere. Like, 5 years from now, 2 years from now, one day, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna just be seeing everybody do a Juneathon. Maybe next year, I might see somebody else doing Juneathon. I'm not gonna be the only one doing Juneathon. Because right now, I'm literally the only person doing Juneathon. I made up Juneathon. Like, Juneathon came from my mind. So, I'm excited. I'm pretty sleepy. Yeah, I just wanted to come into the vlog properly, because it's a really short vlog, but I was sleepy. So I tried to get what I could for you guys, because a video has to go out every day for the month of June, no matter what. So, if you guys get 30 or 31 videos out of me this month, stuff has to get done. Work has to be done. This is me working, you know? And I get my reward at the end. I'm tired though, yeah. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. My name is Heaven. Oh wait, if you guys want to watch something, like if you guys have any suggestions about what you want to see this Juneathon, let me know. Okay, like what do you want to see? What do you guys want to see on here? Like what do you want me to do? What conversations do you want to have? What like foods do you want me to cook? What places do you want me to go? What tags do you want me to, like what do you want me to do? Yeah, there's that. But yeah, my name is Heaven. If you don't know, now you do know. My name is Heaven, and you are watching my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna talk to you all later. I love you all so much.